Okay guys, and that's how you do a parked regen. Hello guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. In today's video guys, we have a 2019 Freightliner Cascadia, which applies 2019 and plus Freightliner Cascadia with a DD15 motor, which is a Detroit. I'm going to show you guys how to do a parked regen. So if you have this light, or let's see if I can get into the alert system of the truck. Alerts, press OK. It says park regen required soon. You would want to do a park regen, so either you have that light show up or that, and basically don't listen to that diesel particular filter level, but basically if it wants you to do a park regen, this is what you do. So what are you gonna do is you're gonna go to where it says start press regen, and right here you're gonna click OK. When you do OK, you press OK again, and park regeneration active. It's gonna start doing the regen. All the idle is gonna go higher. Now this is quite normal for it to do that. After it's finished, it will just shut everything down. But that's how you do park regen, and hear that? That's normal. So okay guys, so I do want to add, according to this Freightliner, you need the hood closed and you need your tractor brake set in order to do the parked regen. So make sure you have all that. Okay guys, a successful regen will look like this. After a park regen is over, the truck's going to idle normal, or if you have your cruise or idle cruise set up to whatever it's at, it'll go back to what it was. So that's it. That's how you do park regen Freightliner Cascadia.
Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.